In today's video, we will be reading a story about a mouse and a lion. Today's story that we will be reading is called The Lion and the Mouse. Are you ready? Let's read. One day, there was a huge lion sleeping in the forest. The big lion was sleeping in the forest. A tiny little mouse was running around in the forest looking for food. The tiny little mouse accidentally ran on top of the lion's paw, not knowing where she was. The lion woke up and squished the mouse in his paw. He squished the mouse in his paw with his big paw and his long, sharp claws. The little mouse said, "Please, please, let me go. Please let me go, and one day I will help you." The big lion wondered, how can a tiny mouse help a big lion like me? But the lion was feeling generous, and so he let the little mouse go, and she ran away into the forest. A few days later, the lion was creeping through the forest looking for animals to eat. But the lion did not know that there was a hunter with a trap waiting for him. As the lion was walking through the forest, the hunter trapped the lion in a huge net. The lion could not get out of the trap, and the lion roared and roared, "Rah!" so that the whole forest could hear him. The little mouse could hear the lion from very far away. She could hear the lion from very far away, and she thought, I know that voice. I should go and help. The little mouse ran through the forest to help the lion. When she saw the lion trapped in the big net, she thought, how can I help the lion? She had an idea. The little mouse ran up to the net and used her teeth to chew a hole in the net, to free the lion. The huge lion tore out of the net and looked at the little mouse. The huge lion said, "Thank you, little mouse. You saved me." And the little mouse said, "You didn't think an animal as small as me could help you, but here I have helped to free you." The lion said, "Thank you, little mouse." The end. I'm curious. I want to know, have you heard this story before? Write in the comments below if you know the story of the lion and the mouse. See you next time. Bye.